All right, Lancers, today is day one of our CASP assessment, and we are starting off with our English test, the computer adaptive test to be more specific. We will be doing this one for the next 2 hours. It won't be too hard. You have plenty of time to get this done, but we put this little presentation together for you because we wanted you to be able to show the best version of yourself. Your English teachers, your history teachers, your elective teachers, everyone has been working really hard to prepare you for this particular test. So we want to make sure that you know exactly what you need to do in order to prepare. So I told you that we have 2 hours to take this test. You should see less than 30 questions. Half the battle is this last point. Read each question carefully. You don't have to rush. Just read each question very carefully so you understand exactly what you are being asked to do. If you don't read the question carefully, most likely you're going to get the question wrong. So take your time on this one because, again, you have more than enough time. If you don't finish today, you will finish this test in your English classes tomorrow anyways, so it's more than enough time to get you going. Along the way, you're going to see multiple different types of questions. For instance, you're going to see a multiple choice questions. It's an oldie but a goodie. You get selections of an A, B, C, or D, and you're going to choose one of those to answer the question carefully. Another type of question you're going to see is select all that apply. That means there's multiple correct answers for that particular question. Just make sure you read that one so you know, oh, I got to select multiple parts in the paragraph, multiple boxes or check off boxes on there, but it's going to say to you specifically, mark all that apply. Another one that you're going to see is a short answer response. This does not require a full-blown essay, but it will require you to write a short paragraph which you'll need to cite evidence. And I know a lot of you guys have been working on this in your English classes and your history classes about citing evidence by using a primary document or a piece of evidence that's within a short literature. So you're going to pull something out of those paragraphs in order to support your answer. Another one that you're going to see is a two-part question where you're going to have to answer part A, and it's going to ask you to choose something from part B that best supports you. And so that's an A-B type question that you're going to see. And again, that one's a little bit more difficult because you have to get both of them right to get the whole question correct. And another one you're going to see, which will require your headphones, is a listening question. You're going to put on your headphones, you're going to hit play. You can listen to this recording multiple times. But what's really cool about this is that you can hit replay and then answer the question once you fully gain a full comprehension of what you're listening to. Regardless, you still can take your time and do your best. Some helpful hints. We talked about the first one. Read each question before you actually answer the question. Okay? Read it thoroughly before you do so. Now, identify what that question is asking you. Is it a select all that apply that requires more than one correct answer? Is it a multiple choice where there's only one answer where it's telling you choose the best answer? That means one. Or is it asking you to write a short response? But make sure that you read all your answer choices. You can always do an old school thing of like getting rid of the answer you know for sure is wrong by using a process of elimination. And also there's some little guidance along the way in these questions where you can see words and it'll have an underline underneath that word. You can click on it to see the definition of that word to get a full comprehension of what the actual sentence is saying. Regardless, we believe in you guys. You've been working very hard this whole year. Your families have been supporting you. Your friends have been supporting you. Your teachers, our whole school believes in you. Take your time and do your best. Thank you guys, and we will see you later.